All right, we got this amazing Letaya 3-drawer file cabinet. As you see, I've already got these 2 drawers already installed. The 3rd drawer is right here. I did already install it, but I uninstalled it to show you how to install it correctly. So I'm going to take these 2 pieces out first and foremost. And then if you see on each of these pieces, there's a piece right here that jets out, as well as right here. And it's like that on the other side as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit the drawer into those pieces. And so there's one is fit in and the other's fit in. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to fit that one in there and that one in right there. But as you can see, it doesn't shut. So how do you make sure it shuts correctly? So for me, since I've already installed it, it's going to be easier. Your first time installing it, you're going to have to press a little bit harder than I'm going to have to press. So I'm going to press down on all 4 corners. So right here, I'm going to come in here, I'm going to press that down. That's in. And that one went in as well. You're going to come over here, press that down, and press that down. And it locks into place, and now you can shut it. And then now that it shuts, you got your key. You're going to come in here, locks it. So amazing cabinet here. Highly recommend.